This is my first time to buy a vehicle. This is my first vehicle. I have more problems just about this today. Yeah, yes. Okay, do you see here Chicken Palace? Yeah, it's a white vehicle here. Okay, okay, fine. Okay, okay. See, man, I need to put the plate number on my car, and I don't know if tomorrow it can be okay. No problems. Yesterday I just paid the 7,000 bucks Metcalf, so it's a very big shit, man. Driving without a license. Just waiting for the release maybe of my card. Then I'm gonna be of my plate number. Then I can be driving good. And I need to go to take the cartão de condução license, driving license. So man, things are very complicated. But my vehicle is this is brand new. It's hot, man. It's riding. As you can see, what's up, man? Big shit. Yes. Yes, I'm in the car.